Hey, what's up everyone? Today, I've got a quick video for you. We're installing a dBrand skin on the LG V30 in about 2 minutes. Enan here from Udroid Mania, so let's get to it. If you've ever had a dBrand skin, then you know that packaging's not their strong point, but hey, if it saves us money, I'm all for it, because we can get this set up for about 11 bucks. Now before I get started, I make sure to shut off the heat or the air so there's no dust or lint particles blowing around during my install, and then I can begin cleaning the phone. dBrand gives us a fresh microfiber cloth, so I'll definitely use that. Here, you'll just want to make sure that there's no grease or grime on your phone, and like I always suggest, make sure that you take the time that you need so that everything's clean and good to go. And now that I'm looking at this, I decided not to install the camera skin, so I'll just put that over there. Next, I completely remove the skin from the backing and flip it around about 1/3 of the way down from the top so I can line up the skin. Like I said before, I take my time here because I want it to look good, and having the backing in the middle like this allows me to make adjustments as necessary. When I'm ready, I move the backing to the bottom for lineup and inspect the top. You're only going to get 1 or 2 chances to make this look right, so be easy. Now because I'm behind the camera, I take a little extra time to look here, and then I'm moving on. Now that I'm happy with how things look, I lightly press the sides and top down into place in preparation to line up the bottom. Okay, so far so good. So let's go ahead and flip the phone upside down and line up the bottom. Just another reminder, it's important to check the sides and the edges. And even I don't get this part always right, so adjustments sometimes are necessary. Okay, so my point is, these installs aren't that bad, so just make sure that you take your time. Once the inspection's complete, pull out the backing as shown to remove it. It's like magic. Next, go ahead and flatten out the skin, making sure to push the air out to the sides. Start from the middle and head towards the bottom of the phone. For the last step, you'll take the microfiber cloth and rub it about 20 to 25 times on each side, causing friction to heat the adhesive. Now for the LG V30, you're not going to need a blow dryer, so make sure that you press down as you do this. And now you're done. Go ahead, sit back and enjoy your work. How's it look? Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, so there you guys have it. Just a quick installation video for my dBrand skin. Now I'll go ahead and say it. From time to time I do like to use my phone without a case, and with this phone, when I do, I go with the dBrand skin. I choose to go with these because they're affordable, you can mix and match them, they look great and feel good in the hand. So after watching this video, if you like what you see, go ahead and pick one up. I've got a link down below. If you've enjoyed this video, do leave a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe before you go. As always, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one.